Man like them they way. When I go to man do my investigation, my sister is a man way. The man they have some agent thing and some rare thing, you know what I mean? The man they have eyes and ears everywhere. So I shouldn't that man them move to certain kind of way, but I don't know who me just say a fat piece of food in our account and say, yo, and people out the road are suffering and dead for hungry. You don't know, so I need to just take off a piece of this and give some people who don't need it. But here we go on now. The same man there turn around and free me up certain kind of way. I have no solid evidence about it, but I feel like I didn't do it. Because I'm buying a brother. When I forward back a street, I record it. I'm a DJ in a brother. I saw you recorded long in a brother. But I go to man, I reach out to some people and say, you know, send me some IT thing. And the people say, no, check. Free up. So I feel like I didn't see a man do that. And just how I see them man they move, you know, so them man they have good heart still, but still the feds, you know, some have to look out at the eyes.
Suppose I tell you, say, I see the man say determination and see how good you do that. Alright. Me need to sell them herbs, yeah. Apart of what me have to do. Me have to do what me have to do at the end of the day. So no matter what me have to do, me have to get it done. You realize much things me I try to juggle. I look at me say me that link down a big Joe and see what I'm going to feel back boost.
I want to tell you a thing too now. I'm not telling you a lie, no, brother. You see, true, I know how the game is stay. Or the better you got the back juice, so clean now and take back a ear. You see, any corner you go up and go juggle something like this and them see you for all 2 weeks straight a juggle, you're going to wonder where your supplier forward from. And I guess for now, some man might go and call all the feds from take your car. And the regular man of good at somebody was in a game.
So that's the code.
That's a code, man. Believe me, I tell you, brother.
Alright, you see like how I know that now, I know for approach.
Just make sure you look out for the lie at all times.
Yeah, man.
See? I tell you that because I remember like I said, I'm in a game there. See? And I start do some other things. Because I used to always look out for poor people because I saw me grow. And I see you as a youth to look like a them kind of mate. Yo, you have youth?
Yeah, man.
That is it. And when you have your youth, brother, you decide so your youth shall never go hungry, no day. So you have to do what you have to do as a father. Same time. If you're not there, the youth now go eat. And more while if the youth eat, some people are taking a disadvantage of it. So you don't want to know, so you lack boy. You can't take care of certain things. And this is what I tell you, say, juggle two bamboos first night. You juggle on some woman things and some because a woman loves certain things in general. And numbers are taking that.
Two you are talking like some Brazilian.
Brother, I tell you, man. See? Some little things are going on, you can roast something them and some little something more the woman that use. Then something there.
That's not what you were saying 6 months ago. You never only want my professional help. You do want my personal advice as well. That's all. And now that you're on top, may I just your physiotherapist?
That was a low point in my life.
And I was there for you. To every inspirational talk where you didn't need, every back rub, every shoulder cry, everything where you didn't need. So nobody come go on like say me have some waste my way you never want.
Sorry I made you feel that way. That was not the intention.
No, you're doing well in your creative field. I understand see you find your niche and you do your thing. Though I might not approve of some of the songs that you sing and how you want to do it. I get say it's a creative expression. But just not understand why you don't want to go back to this man who causes so much pain and suffering.
Him understand me more than anybody else.
But have you ever given anybody else a chance to get to know you, to understand you?
That's what I'm scared of. Getting to know somebody else, somebody new.
Pretty. Look, life is about taking chances. Letting go of them baggages, man. You don't owe this guy nothing.
So why you and Tash think Shagla not good enough for me?
Well, let's examine it, shall we? Based on your words, him is a gangster.
Because of circumstances.
Pretty, stop. Stop defending this man. Just because you want to justify the toxic relationship.
Toxic relationship? Philip, don't get bright. You want some sign of a man? You don't know nothing about it.
I know about your relationship. And what I know is based on what you tell me.
At that time, I was frustrated and hurt.
And you spoke the truth. Look, you might not like what I'm saying, you know, but you need to hear it. Stop living in denial.
Sheldon might not be perfect, but he loves me, I love him, and he's making every effort to change.
Alright, brilliant. Create your own reality if it pleases you. But just know this, we're not always there, here.